Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about one of the most popular spices in the world. Turmeric. Now you may be thinking, turmeric, that's just a spice I use in cooking. Right? Well, yes, it is, but it's so much more than that. Turmeric has been used for thousands of years in Indian and Middle Eastern cuisines, and it's known for its warm, bitter taste. But, did you know that it also has many health benefits? In this video, we'll be discussing 10 of these amazing benefits of drinking turmeric every day and how you can incorporate it into your daily routine. So, grab a cup of tea and let's get started. Before we dive into today's video, we just wanted to take a moment to thank you for coming back and for being a part of our community. And if you're new here, we'd love for you to join us by subscribing to our channel. That way, you'll never miss any of our videos on health and wellness. So, hit the subscribe button now and let's dive into today's video. First up, turmeric contains a compound called curcumin, which has strong anti-inflammatory effects. This makes it a powerhouse when it comes to reducing inflammation in the body, and that can help with a variety of health conditions like arthritis, irritable bowel syndrome, and even cancer. Second, turmeric is an antioxidant superhero. It helps protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals, which can help reduce your risk of chronic diseases and slow down the aging process. Can you believe it? Antioxidants and anti-aging, all in one spice. Third, turmeric has a positive impact on heart health. It helps lower cholesterol levels and improve circulation, which can reduce your risk of heart attacks and strokes. So, if you're looking to keep your heart healthy, turmeric is your new best friend. Fourth, turmeric is great for brain health. Some studies have shown that it can help prevent degenerative brain conditions like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's disease. Who wouldn't want a spice that not only tastes great but also helps keep your mind sharp? Fifth, turmeric may have cancer-fighting properties and could potentially be used to prevent certain types of cancer. That's pretty incredible, isn't it? Sixth, turmeric is great for your digestion. It's been shown to improve digestion and can help relieve symptoms of indigestion, bloating, and gas. So, if you're looking for a natural solution for digestive issues, turmeric might just be the answer. Seventh, turmeric is a natural pain reliever. It's been used for centuries to relieve pain and is especially effective for reducing inflammation-related pain. So, if you're looking for a natural alternative to pain medication, turmeric might just be the solution. Eighth, turmeric is great for your skin. It's been shown to have a positive impact on skin health and can help reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, improve skin tone, and reduce acne. Who wouldn't want a spice that not only tastes great but also makes your skin look amazing? Ninth, turmeric is a natural mood booster. Some studies have shown that it can help improve symptoms of depression and anxiety. So, if you're feeling down or stressed, incorporating turmeric into your daily routine might just give you that extra boost you need. And finally, turmeric can help boost your immune system. It's packed with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds that can help protect your body from illness and disease. So, if you're looking to keep your immune system in tip-top shape, turmeric is the way to go. So, there you have it, 10 amazing benefits of drinking turmeric every day. But, you might be wondering, how do I incorporate turmeric into my daily routine? Well, one option is to take turmeric supplements, which can be found at many health food stores and online. But, it's important to consult with a doctor or healthcare professional before starting any new supplement regimen. Another option is to add turmeric to your food. It's as simple as using it as a spice in your cooking or mixing it into smoothies and other drinks. So, there you have it, drinking turmeric every day can provide numerous health benefits, from reducing inflammation and improving heart health to boosting the immune system and improving mood. Whether you drink turmeric tea, take supplements, or add it to your food, incorporating this spice into your daily routine is a simple and effective way to support your overall health and wellness. Well, that's it for today's video. We hope you found this information helpful and informative. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more videos on health and wellness. Until next time, stay healthy and happy.